Good morning, friends. We welcome you for the online test, the third and final online test as a part of Anna University internals. As you all know, our senior students who have passed out, they have written the Anna University online examination, final examination, and we would like to share with you some of the learnings that we had with our senior students who have passed out. If you carefully see, quite a large number of them, roughly about 59 of them have got results withheld, WH1 as it is called, and Anna University had carefully gone through the videos and found that there are some lapses apparently, and nearly 36 students they have identified out of 59, they are free from any kind of blemish. There are about another 16 students whose cases are being reviewed. We are yet to receive communication. Why we are telling all this is that the proctoring done by Anna University using an artificial intelligence software detects certain movements, changes, and it records as a malpractice. Then it becomes our duty to defend, yes, I have not done malpractice. There are about 5 students in a particular department. Their results have been invalidated, and those students are crying today, practically. They say, sir, we did not indulge in any kind of malpractice. However, our names have been listed and our exams have been invalidated. So such a situation should not arise for any one of you. Therefore, we are taking some time and giving you some instructions which are provided by our Anna University. I am sure you will listen to this carefully and please follow the instructions, both do's and don'ts, appropriately. Okay, some of the do's I am just going to read out because it may be useful for all of you. Please ensure that the webcam, whatever is there, focuses on your face and your face is clearly visible in the video bubble. And more importantly, ensure silence in the room where you are appearing for the examination. That means another relative or any other person should not be there in that room. If there is any difficulty, move to a place where there is pin drop silence. Sometimes we require a cup of water when the exam is in progress, so keep a transparent water bottle in your table. Do it well before the start of the examination so that you can use it as and when required. You know that calculators are not permitted in the examination, so students, when you attend the Anna University exam, which will be perhaps in the online mode for 1 hour, you are expected to use the scientific calculator available on the screen by clicking the resources button. Even if you have finished the exam before the schedule or well ahead of the schedule, you are expected to be available for the entire duration of the examination. That means full 1 hour. Some of the don'ts we will quickly go through, namely, kindly do not refer to any kind of material or any person while the examination is in progress. As far as the examination is concerned, you are required to use the scroll cursor. You are required to scroll the cursor with the mouse and answer the questions. You are not expected to use the keyboards while you are attempting the examination. I repeat, you are allowed only to scroll the cursor with the mouse in order to answer the questions. Of course, you are not permitted to start the examination with multiple devices at a time. Do not leave your place for any reason when the exam is in progress, because any movement is recognized as a malpractice by the AI software as far as the Anna University proctoring system is concerned. Do not have any light source behind your face. It will create difficulty, to recognize your good self, because the bright light will be predominant. Do not cover your face with any kind of mask, etc. Very importantly, never ever use headphones, earbuds, or any other type of listening hardware. I repeat, do not use headphones, earbuds, or any other type of listening hardware. It will be recognized as a malpractice. Also ensure that the background noise, voice or music or TV or any other electronic gadget is not there. Do not wear sunglasses, of course. And kindly, for that 1 hour duration, please do not entertain anyone inside that room. So even if there is a minor emergency, you can wait for 1 hour, at the end of which you can go and pick up the information and act accordingly. But do not permit anybody inside the room while you are attempting the final examination. Also, do not communicate with any person. Please keep your cell phones and other gadgets in the off condition or your aeroplane mode, but do not entertain any kind of dialogue with anybody during the examination. Also, a technical point, kindly do not have any programs or applications like MS Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, etc. that use the webcam, the microphone, screen, etc. I repeat, do not use any programs, do not have any programs or applications like MS Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, etc. that use the hardware like webcam, microphone, screen sharing, etc. during the examination. I hope we are clear. These are the instructions required for Anna University examinations. You may wonder why we are doing it at this point of time. Kindly follow a similar strict regimen at this point of time itself. Certain points are not applicable at this point of time. So therefore act accordingly. So therefore do your examinations seriously. Do not give any slightest trace that you are indulging in any kind of inappropriate practices, because please note, it is after all a proctoring software, artificial intelligence software, that is going to detect any movements and it classifies them as a malpractice. So let us be vigilant not to get unnecessarily trapped by such a software. So wishing you all the very best. Take care of your personal health and do well in the examinations. All the very best.